little learners. Today, we are going to start with chapter 18, our agriculture, livestock, and industries. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the agriculture, livestock, and the different industries. So, here, since independence, you know that India has made immense progress towards food security. Science and technology have gained unquestionable supremacy. The level of the industrial development in the country has increased. Right? So, you know that. So, agriculture, it's the main occupation of the people in our country. About 70% of the Indian depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Fertile land, good monsoon, tropical climate, wealth of natural resources have made India continue agricultural country. So, India has a large population to feed, and more than three-fourths of the cultivatable land is used for growing food crops like rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, maize, and pulses. Remaining land is used for growing cash crop like tobacco, sugarcane, cotton, jute, oilseeds, and spice. Proper means of irrigation, modern agriculture equipments, improved variety of seeds, and fertilizer have brought about many changes in recent time. Farmers they are using modern means to increase crop production. Special program like Krishi Darshan is aired on radio, telecast on television. The big success brought about in agriculture has been called Green Revolution. Next is agriculture season. We have two agriculture season, Kharif and Rabi. Kharif means arrival of monsoon and Rabi means begin of monsoon. Right? Main Kharif crop are paddy, millets, jowar, bajra, nagi, jute, sugarcane, groundnut and coconut. The main Rabi crop are wheat, gram, mustard, barley, peas, rice, wheat and millet. These are the main food crops. For example, we have food crop like rice, wheat, millets and pulses. So we have that. Rice is the most important crop of India. It is more than one third of agriculture land. Rice needs warm climate and wet soil. Rice is grown mainly in West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. Here it is given, right? Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. So these are the rice and wheat growing states over here. Then we have wheat, which is the main food crop of North India. After rice, it is the second most important crop. What it's need? Dry and cool climate. Only moderate rainfall is also need. The western part of fertile northern plains of India are best for growing wheat. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Northwest Rajasthan, Maharashtra. What are these? These are wheat growing. A. Maize. It's a summer crop. It is also known as corn. It's grown in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Karnataka. Millets, which include jowar, bajra, and ragi. These are also the kharif seed, growing kharif season. Right? These are very nutritional value. They have very high nutritional value over here. Where do they grow? In Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Next is pulses like gram, arad, and moong, and masoor. These are the source of protein over here, and they are grown in states of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. Right? These are the cash crop like cotton, jute, tea, coffee, cocoa, spicy, and rubber. Next is oil seeds. Main source of cooking oil. We mainly grow groundnut, coconut, mustard, linseed, soybean, and sunflower. Right? If we talk about groundnut, they are grown in South India, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. And mustard, they are grown in wheat producing state. Next, we have sugarcane, which is used for the production of sugar and jaggery. India is one of the leading producer of sugarcane. Uttar Pradesh is also the leading producer. We have more states like Bihar, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. If we talk about cotton, it is a main fiber crop. It is used for making different cotton clothes and it's need black soil. Right? It is a leading producer of cotton. We have Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. Then we have jute. It is the golden fiber. It is used for making gunny bags, ropes, and carpet. Grown mainly in Ganges Delta in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Odisha, Tripura, Meghalaya, they also produce jute. We have tea. It is a major beverage crop. Tea grows well on the hill slopes of Assam. Darjeeling, Nilgiri, coffee and cocoa, these are largely produced in Karnataka. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. We have spices, which is extensively done in the whole of India. Each spices grow in unique manner. Each plant need different climate, soil condition, irrigation and manure. Some common spices are chili, clove, ginger, turmeric, pepper, nutmeg and cardamom. Kerala is the largest producer of this spice in India. Next is livestock rearing. Livestock rearing is important part of agriculture. It refers to domestic animals which are useful to us. We have milk animal like cow, buffalo, goat. What they gives you? Milk. We have oxen which helps in plowing and pulling carts. Camel, mules, donkey are beast of burden. We do rearing of chicken, hens and duck for the meat and egg called poultry farming. Government is we are making efforts to educate the farmers in modern ways to better take care of livestock. Operation Flood called White Revolution. White started to increase milk production. Then industry. Nature has given us many resources, but we cannot use most of this unless we. Industries are the center where we manufacture products from raw material after processing them. It's contribute to comforts of life. On the basis of size, industries classified into three types: cottage, small scale, and large scale. Right? Cottage industry, when we work at our homes and produce goods, it is called cottage industry. Does not need much investment. Handloom clothes, your handicraft, your plastic articles, and bangles, baskets, cane, bamboo works. Basket, cane, bamboo works items made from stone and clay. Toys, shoes, they are some products that are found in such industries. Then we have small scale industries, which when more people are employed and work in small factories called small scale industries in which we employed and work in small factories and it needs small capital and some machines, utensils, fans, bakery items, soaps, small parts of machine. Then we have large scale industry when a large number of workers are employed in fake factories, iron, steel, automobiles, heavy industries called large scale industry. Here we need raw material, power to operate machine, to process and labor to produce finished work. We are developing all three types of industries in India. Many big and small industries centers have come up in many parts of country and they have exported foreign to countries and in which brings foreign exchange and what it's do is increase trade relation of India with other countries. Right? So we are developing all three types of industries in India. Many big and small industrial centers they have come in many parts of our country and industrial products are exported to foreign. What we are doing, we are exporting the foreign products to, we are exporting our products to foreign countries. Now some major industry, textile industry, oldest and largest. We have cotton, silk, wool and synthetic cloth over here, which is located in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Amritsar, Kanpur and Chennai. Iron and steel industry, in which almost all machinery are needed, made up of iron and steel, which is located in Jamshedpur and Bokaro, in Jharkhand, Durgapur in West Bengal, Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, Rourkela in Odisha. Sugar, important industry. There are many sugar mills in our country which produce enough sugar for consumption. We have railway engines made at Chittaranjan and Varanasi. We have railway coaches made at Perambur in Tamil Nadu, Kapurthala in Punjab. Aeroplanes are manufactured at Bengaluru, ships in Visakhapatnam, automobiles in Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. Right? We have other large scale industry unit which is manufacturing what cement, chemicals, fertilizer, two-wheeler, paper, electronic goods and telephone equipments. We have made rapid progress in almost all industry since independence. If we talk about independence, we have done rapid production also and rapid urbanization of industry. Let's talk about IT industry, which is information technology industry. This industry develops and deals with computer and related software. Major IT centers are at Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi NCR, Noida, Gurugram, Jaipur, Kanpur and Kolkata. Right? These are the different industries that I have told you. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. That's all for today. Thank you.